Want to make your videos easier to understand with clear, professional subtitles? VEED lets you automatically generate subtitles, edit the text, adjust timing, and customize the appearance directly in the video editor. You can also add subtitles manually or upload an existing subtitle file. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add subtitles in VEED in 2026, so let's get started. First, sign in to VEED and create a new project. From the dashboard, click Edit Video to open the editor, then upload the video you want to subtitle. You can also open an existing project if your video is already in VEED. Next, select Subtitles from the left-hand menu. VEED gives you several ways to add subtitles, including automatic transcription, manual subtitles, and subtitle file uploads. For this tutorial, we'll use automatic subtitles because it's the quickest option for most videos. Now choose the language spoken in your video and click Auto Subtitle. VEED will transcribe the audio and create subtitle lines for your video. If your project has multiple clips, you can choose a specific clip or transcribe the full project, depending on what you need. Finally, watch the entire video and check your subtitle accuracy, timing, and readability. When you're satisfied, click Done and use the export options to finish your video. If you want the subtitles permanently embedded into the video, turn on Burn Subtitles during export, and that's how to add subtitles in VEED. Create your project, open Subtitles, generate or add your captions, correct the text, customize the style, and export the finished video. Taking a few extra moments to review the transcript can make your subtitles much more accurate and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.